Hey guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. We're going to be going and picking up 2 new hives today to add to our apiary. So 2 more beehives. That'll give us a total of 4. We got to drive about an hour to go get them. So you guys are going to come along. You can see the place that we go to get our bees and how we get them transported back home and put into the new hives. So come along, let's do it. This is Bee Co Apiary. It's just beautiful. Look at this drive coming in. Once we get to the spot where they have most of their hives set up, you guys will be able to see that too. It's just a gorgeous property. So I have the bees here in the back of my truck in these 2 boxes. This is like a cardboard, but it's coated in wax. So these could be outside for a couple days if need be. So the hole is plugged. They can't get out until I pull that plug there. There's one on that one on the other side. But inside there are 5 frames with honey, brood, queen, bees, lots of all kinds of stuff in there. So we're gonna get these guys home and get them put in. Let's go for a ride, little bees. Alright, so these 2 in the middle are our hives with the bees in them. And then next to it, those are the hives they're going to be moved into. Alright, let's go do it. Alright, so what I was told to do here is bring these hive boxes down. I'm going to pull the yellow plug, let them just sniff around in the area, wait a little while, and then I'm actually going to transfer those frames that are in this box into here. So I'm going to pull those plugs. Ooh, come on out. It's kind of hard to see. I'm going to try to get a little closer. That they're just starting to come out and just smell everything. So while they're orienting, we're going to go down and check on the hive that we installed the other day that had the swarm. So this package, it's called a Nucleus Hive. So inside this box are 5 frames. There's some honey and pollen. There's a couple frames of brood. A few other things in there, but basically you have a queen and a mini established hive, and we're going to be moving those into that hive. So the idea is we're just going to have to pull the frames out and move them in there into the center of that box, and then the rest of them will start to move in as the day goes on. So put 3 of these here, 2 of these here, and we're going to unstrap the box. Nice. So we just got to be real careful that we don't, mess with our queen or anything in here. Yes. Okay. So we're just going to start our outer box here. We're going to look for our queen. She's marked, so hopefully we'll actually find her. Okay, so this is brood and honey here. It's a good assortment. Again, same here, brood, honey. So, oh yeah. This is more capped brood. I'm assuming these little green things have to do with them making queen cups or something. I'm not positive with that. Let's see her on that one. I'm trying to adjust a little bit so you guys can see better. Okay. You'll be able to tell as soon as I move this queen in there, they're going to start moving into there. Oh yeah. So here, this is more pollen, more brood. They're still building the frame out in here. And I'm just looking for that queen. Don't see her yet. It's just so fascinating to watch. This is mainly honey here. Lots of larvae, lots of larvae, lots of larvae. Still don't see her yet, but that's okay. She could have easily escaped me, or not escaped me, but just not been visible to me. I don't think she actually escaped. think I did it. Put the lid on. Put the lid back on this one for now, and they'll make their way out of here and into that one and make it their home. Okay, so let's do it again. mess. All right, well, I'd say that was a success. We've got our 2 hives installed back here. I'm gonna leave those cardboard boxes here just overnight, just to let everybody vacate and move into the other space. There's just a few scragglers that are left in those boxes, and once their scent kind of dies down a little bit, they'll move into that other box where the scent is stronger and their queen is there. I did not see the queen in either one of those, but that doesn't really concern me right now. There's just a lot of chaos in the move, and so I'm just gonna hope she's in there on both of those hives. This the camera. All right, this backward stuff. So this hive is the one that we caught the other day, the swarm, and we did find the queen in that one, so that's great. She has not started laying yet, but that's not surprising. I mean, she's a brand new queen, so pretty stoked. 4 hives in my apiary. I started with 0, and now I have 4. So you gotta start somewhere, guys. Don't be scared. Have a good day. We'll see you next time at Row & Co Farms.